one of the major challenges is to CBT, in the CBT thought sheets. जब हम अपने client को ये कहते हैं कि we give them a task or assignment for their home to make a thought sheet of a situation and the feelings and the thoughts. Now, a lot of clients do agree at that time that they will work on that short thought sheets, but to be honest, when I talk to many clients and ask them, were you given a homework from your previous therapist or psychologist in CBT? Say no. Some of them say no. And those of them who had that homework, they don't even know why that homework was given. So one of the things that I really want to quickly tell to the new psychologists who are trying to practice CBT is that it's a collaborative process. That means that even if you want to give an assignment or homework to your clients, please make sure that you make them reach that decision themselves, that they need to make a thought sheet. For example, you tell them that, all right, up till now we have seen that your emotions actually get over your wisdom, or your emotions take the front seat and the rational thinking takes a back seat, as you have said in the whole session today, in different situations where you think जहाँ ऐसे लग रहा था कि आपको ये ख्याल आया कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था. So what do you think? Do you agree to this point that you should be more aware about your feelings and thoughts? And the client will say, of course, because I think I am not being self-aware about my feelings and thoughts, and I just run into that surprise situation myself and later on regret. Then the next step, you tell them, okay, if you agree that you need to know more about them, then do you think that over the next 1 week while you go back to your home and you spend your life, do you think it will be important or interesting to even first know that what all are the situations and what kind of feelings you have and what kind of automatic thoughts that you have? And they will say, definitely, we need to know them, because until or unless we don't know them, we cannot address them. And then you ask them that, okay, if you think that feelings and automatic thoughts are important, and you think that in your next 1 week it will be an interesting thing to know about them, then what is the best thing to record them? Do you want to record them on a voice note, or you want to write them out? Why? Because once you bring those things to me after 1 week, we will now rationalize those feelings and thoughts and make them into the fourth column, which we call as rational adjustments. And then the client will definitely come. Of course, I need to write it down so that we can work together. We cannot work together in a audio recording, because that can really not make a lot of sense once we do this. So once we take stepwise, we move stepwise with our client, तो उससे ये होता है कि client gets convinced कि ये मेरी अपनी चॉइस है, मुझे ऑप्शंस दी गई हैं और मैंने ये खुद होमवर्क चूज़ किया है. And not only that, they do it more religiously, they also do it more religious because they are convinced about doing it, and we get more out of it. Thank you very much. This is for the thought sheets. Next we will be talking about some other topic very soon. Wait for that. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.